Mastering of any mix can be very simple if the right balance of loudness and frequency is found for mixing. Each instrument in the mix must occupy its right place. The golden rule is to bring the mix down to 6 decibels. Further, the classical version of the mastering chain consists of a compressor, equalizer, and a limiter. Let's consider each element of the chain individually. Compression. Compressors determine macrodynamics of the sound. Compression helps to make the sound fuller while the mix becomes denser and more uniform. Equalization. The final equalization can single out some frequencies in your mix for lightening up all your instruments. The main rule of mix equalization during mastering reads, the less the better. Normally this implies many small strokes throughout the frequency band. If you need to raise some frequencies by more than 3 decibels, it means more than likely than not that there are problems with the mix. Limiting. Limiting is an important part of terminal work on the mix for equalizing the total loudness to a certain level and preventing the clipping and other jarring distortions. Remember that it is not wise to achieve loudness to the detriment of the sound quality. I wish to draw your attention to the fact that mixing and mastering must be done in a special room, using high-class equipment. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to tell the difference between the final and distorted sounding of your mix. After you have finished the mixing and mastering of your mix in a professional studio, check its sound on home audio systems. You can visit your friends to check out your mix or do it in your car, or can simplify your life by using dedicated speakers, so-called shitty monitors.